Hi everyone, my name is Akshaya Kavle. I'm a nature and animal communicator and a tarot card reader, and now I integrate both these modalities to help me connect better with nature and animals around me. Tarot cards have helped me immensely in many communications, bringing more tangibility, clarity, and insight to the communication. It's not just limited to my communications with animals, but it also extends to plants as well as landscapes. In one such interesting communication I had with a landscape, I got an opportunity to pull out my tarot cards for the same and got an interesting insight from the tarot cards as well. So, in this case, someone I know reached out to me, a dear friend of mine, in fact, and had mentioned that they had recently bought. I was told that they have now, bought this property and they would like to know more about the property. So I communicated with the property, understood what the purpose and contract is, and just out of curiosity, I also pulled out my cards, and the card that came up was the Ten of Pentacles. Now, the Ten of Pentacles is often related to inheritance, and it has this energy of ancestral blessing as well as prosperity coming through this ancestral blessing. So, as this friend of mine, if this is a property that has been given to them, gifted to them through their ancestry, and he did confirm that it was from within the family, but he had bought it. So it was not willed to him, it was gifted to him, but he had bought it. But there was definitely this energy of the ancestral blessings coming to him. The property through the communication had mentioned that it will bring prosperity, and it does not have any expectations from the human to either keep it or sell it. It is up to the human to make the right decisions, and whatever decision the human takes, the property will definitely bring a lot of joy, happiness and prosperity, because that is the purpose this property serves in the human's life. He was delighted to hear this because he already had planned a few things, and through the communication as well as the tarot card reading, he got the confidence to understand that whatever he is deciding will be supported by the energy of the property as well. So this is how our tarot cards are not limited to readings for humans, but also can help us with communications not only with animals but all other elements of nature. If you have had such interesting readings that you would like to share, please do in the comment section below. Until the next video, bye bye.